Hello friends, welcome to Tuesday's video. I am so excited, you guys, because I saw a resin artist here on YouTube. I will link her up in the iCard and also in the description. She made a skull, which will be my Thursday video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But in it, she dusted this Let's Resin Holographic Glitter. And oh my god, I don't know if it's the glitter or if it was her camera, but boy oh boy, did I immediately order some from her link. Absolutely. So I have got, it's a 6-piece set here. And it's, oh my god, the skulls came out so gorgeous. Please go check her. I'm sure most of you have probably heard of her. So this one is gold. You can see all of the rainbow colors. Ugh, so stunning. We have a silver. Oh my god. Ugh. This one is pink. Beautiful. This one I'm excited for. This is the black. Then a purple. And of course, if you've been here for a while, you automatically know that the next one is my favorite one. Aqua blue. Oh, so juicy. So anyway, this aqua blue will be for Thursday's video, so I'm going to set that one aside. But for today, I have pulled out these 2 coaster molds. They're little square molds and kind of look like stepping stones. But I thought I would try, pardon me, I thought I would try painting the colors in with some isopropyl alcohol instead of dusting them in so that the dust gets everywhere. I'm going to attempt this again. I have tried to paint mica powder and alcohol before, but it just kind of, the molds repelled it, I think, and it's because I used too much alcohol. So this time around, I'm going to try it with a lot less alcohol. I just kind of want to make a paste and see if that does the trick. But I want to paint the individual pebbles in these molds. And then we're going to fill it up with resin and demold it. And hopefully it looks really cool. For these, I'm going to do a black resin. For the skull, it's going to be a clear resin. So let's go ahead and start painting these little stones and see how this goes. I don't know. I'm excited to try it anyway. So yeah, wish me luck, guys. Alright, friends. Should we see how they turned out? I'm not holding the highest of hopes. Okay. I'm going to do it like this. Okay, here we go. Oh, actually, wow. Yeah, that's really cool. Wow. That is so cool looking. Yeah. Okay. I like it. I wasn't super excited because I was having issues getting the glitter to stick. And I was worried that, you know, it just wouldn't look good. But man, that actually looks really cool. So, I'm excited about that. It definitely looks like pebbles, you know, like outside, like stepping stones and stuff. Yeah, I'm excited. So, yeah. I don't know. I really like this glitter, you guys. I cannot wait to see how Thursday's video comes out. I still have to pour the second layer of it. And then demold that. But after seeing this, I have hope. Anyway, that's today's video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel. Helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.